Welcome to this everyday yoga session. Namaste. Start taking your cushion under your buttocks with your knees flexed. Feel comfortable, table in. Interlock your arms and extend it in front of you and over you. Move your column at the same time you're breathing. Inhale and lean your body to the left and to the right. Rooting your hips on the cushion. Shoulders back and down. Breathe by your nose. Hold your shoulders. How important this joint in an everyday workout. Also the hips, moving in circles to warm them. Interlock your fingers. Stand. Look up. Exhale. Forehead on the floor. If you reach it. Move a little bit your arms up and down. And slowly roll back. Inhale, raise your arms. Exhale, hands to your heart. Take off the cushion. Now stretch the legs in front of you. Inhale, look up. Exhale, fall forward. Use the movement. Inhale and look up. Raise your arms. Exhale and fall forward. Maintain feet flexed. Take your soles of your feet. Flex your elbows and go farther. Stay in the pose. Always shoulders back and down. Breathe by your nose. And slowly onto the pose. Inhale, look up. Exhale. Bend your left knee. Place your left hand on the floor behind you. Right elbow on the outside part of the left leg. And twist your body. Make sure your spine is lengthened. Chin to your chest. And breathe. Into the pose. And change. Now, right leg bended and twist your body to the right side. Inhale and exhale. And into the pose. Bend your left knee and put the feet on the outside part of the right leg and flex the right knee. You can push a little bit your left leg with your elbow and twist your body. Feel the twist of your trunk and head, looking at the left shoulder. And do the pose. Extend legs. Inhale, look up. Exhale, fall forward. Roll back. Inhale, look up. Exhale, now bend right leg and left leg over the right leg. Flex it. Try to align both knees, buttocks rooted on the floor, and twist your body to the left side. Your left hand supports the length of your spine. And into the pose. Extend both legs again. Inhale, exhale, fold forward. Inhale, look up. Exhale, pull back. Now bend your left knee to right knee. It's over. Place your right feet on the outside part of the left thigh. Place your right hand on the floor and push with your left elbow your right knee. Extend column, twist the trunk, look up the right shoulder, hold the pose, inhale and exhale, this is Asana. And directly with both knees aligned and bent, twist it again to the right side. Use your left arm to push the Asana, to push the twisted, and slowly undo the pose and go to quadrupedia. Inhale and exhale. Inhale and extend spine. Exhaling table in, flex the whole column. Inhale and exhale. Inhale, tiptoes on the floor. Exhaling, go to Adho Mukha Svanasana. Right leg up and step in front. Use your brick. Place it on the inner part of your right feet. Inhale, go to warrior two. Right leg flexed, extended, and go to Trikonasana. Place your hand on the brick and open your chest. Arms in cross, chin to your chest, open your hips, left feet in 45 degrees. And slowly, we're gonna place the left hand on the brick and do Parivrita Trikonasana with this twist of the trunk. You can look up if it's no pain on your neck. If not, look on the floor. And to the pose, flex your right knee. Inhaling, exhaling, Adho Mukha. Well done. Now go to Urdhva Mukha Svanasana and Adho Mukha again. Do this vinyasa, inhaling, exhaling. Now we're going to the left part. Big step in front. Place your right knee in 45. Break in the inner part. Go to warrior two. Hold this pose for a second. Extend left knee and go to the floor, placing your hand on the brick. Open your arms, open your chest, table in, chin to your chest. You can use the brick or you can place the hand if you reach it on the floor. Slowly change, and now your right hand is on the brick and do this twisted asana. Slowly take off the brick, place your hands on the floor, flex your left knee, inhale, exhale, Adho Mukha Svanasana, and do again this vinyasa in Urdhva Mukha and Adho Mukha. If it's too hard, place your knees on the floor. Flex your knees and jump to the hands. Inhale, look up. Exhale, fall forward. Wait to your tiptoes. Inhale, look up. Exhale, roll back. To a stand-up pose. Inhale and exhale, hands to your heart. Start at the beginning of the mat. Inhale, raise your arms. Exhale, sit in Utkatasana and fall forward. Inhale and look up. Exhaling, right step back, left step back, stay in plank. Place your knees to your chest, whole body on the floor. Inhaling Cobra, exhaling Adho Mukha. Go to Warrior One with your right leg. Raise your body and again to Adho Mukha. Place your knees to your chest, Cobra inhaling, exhaling Adho Mukha. Use one breath in each movement. Jump to the hands, inhale, look up, exhale, forward. Inhaling Utkatasana, exhaling, hands to your heart. Go to the other side. Feel your breath for a second. And start again. Inhaling Utkatasana, exhaling, fall forward. Look up. Exhale, left step back, right, and stay in plank. Place your knees, your chest, your chin, whole body activated on the floor. Exhaling Adho Mukha. Go to Warrior One with your left leg. Raise your trunk and go again. Exhaling to Adho Mukha. Bend your knees, preparing to jump to your hands. Well done. Inhale, look up. Exhale, fall forward. Go again to Utkatasana, table in, exhaling, hands to your heart. And breathe in Tadasana, feeling this stand-up pose. Balance and in harmony. Go again to the beginning of the mat. Raise your arms and roll on the floor, your back. Try to stand up and go again, rolling your back on the floor. If you need it, use your hands to push your body up. Well done. Use your strong up to mark the rhythm of the movement and do it slowly right now. Place vertebra by vertebra. Inhale and exhale, table in, hug your legs and stay in Apanasana. Feel your body relax, move your hips, move your body, massaging the lumbar part. And now, right hand on the chest, left hand on the up. And feel your breath. Bring your attention to your heart and bring the energy in this part of the body. Being thankful, wrap your hands, feel your heat, cover your eyes. Relax your eyes, relax your face. And inhaling, open your hands and your eyes. Place your hands on your heart. Be thankful. Namaste.